Good afternoon, this is Mel from Integral Blinds. Today we're out on a project, a retrofit into existing bifolds in the village of Linton in Yorkshire. This project has a number of panels, 6 in fact, where they are overlooked and also where the sun is an issue, solar gain, as well as fading of the internal furnishings and decor from the sunlight. As you see, the space here is a living room stroke kitchen dining area. It's quite a big space, but still this area at the end of the room is a nice space because they can sit here and see all the garden. They've got all the trees out there, etc. But they need to be able to control the daylight. One of the things we ourselves pride ourselves with as a company is to be able to offer integral blinds that give what we call daylight control with style. When it comes to style and daylight control, no one else can tick the boxes we tick, and it's for a number of reasons. Our system, and you see our integral blinds here ready to be installed. These are solar battery powered integral blinds, hence the wiring you see coming out the top corners. One of the features of our system, apart from the fact that they're ultra low profile, lowest profile integral blind system in the world, these are also what you call fully dressed. So you see there just through the glass, in this case a jet black fully dressed perimeter. The top of the units, and these are quite tall units, so it's easy for them to do. If the blinds are going to be fully raised most of the time, you'd certainly do this. You'd have the option we offer to conceal the raised Venetian slat stack at the top there in the deeper pocket out of view. Looks very tidy, very smart. And that, of course, is totally unique to us. No one else can give you a concealed raised stack on your integral blinds. These doors here are about 2.2 metres tall, so it's easier for them to do. They're not going to lose that sight line at the top when the blinds are fully raised. But as I say, if you are going to have them fully raised most of the time, you'd lose that area at the top to the raised slat stack anyway. The doors are a dove grey colour, sort of stone grey, RAL 7030, maybe a bit lighter. They're dove grey. These are smarts. They would have lent themselves well also to 24 volt or magnet operated, but because there's 6 of them, there's nothing easier than sitting there in the chair with one of the remote controls that we'll give them as part of the project and operate the blinds if the sun happens to swing round or come into view through the clouds, blighting their view of their screen in there. So the system is also about convenience, easy to use, just press of a button on the remote control. We're going to program the remote control for them today so that they'll be able to operate all 6 of these in unison. We might set up also 2 groups of 3, left hand and right hand free, as well as I say the master control group, as well as individual operation. They'll be able to operate the first panel independently of the rest and so forth with each of the other panels. The dress perimeter, which you see here, as I say, is jet black. By the time you glaze it and you have that behind the glazing bead there, you'll probably lose half of that under the glazing bead. So it's less than a thumb's width wide that you're going to see left and right. That dress perimeter, as I've said before, is available in a choice of over 100 colours, and you can have a different colour inside and out. The flooring in there, for example, is I think it's a porcelain oak effect tile. We could have done something to match the tone and colour of those tiles on the inside, and perhaps jet black or something else on the outside. The reason they've gone for jet black, by the way, it's quite common as a dress perimeter colour. Jet black always frames the view nicely through each and every unit. and they have got a nice view here. The other reason to go for a jet black colour is, if you notice, the gaskets that you see at the edge there, inside and out, are also jet black, so those will disappear against the edge perimeter of the unit. Also creates an optical illusion that makes the frames look narrower than what they actually are. These are high performance sealed units in their own right. They boast a U value of 1.1, 1.0, and if you look at that, it has a mirror-like sheen. It's Excelsior Exhall, it's self-cleaning solar control glass. It's a 4-function glass. It's got a coating like Teflon, which means it's self-cleaning. Rainwater just sheets off of it. When it's raining, it's like watching magic. Rain droplets won't dry on it, needing constant cleaning, as would standard glass. They are gas-filled sealed units, 95% argon usually inside the unit, so it's a great insulator, and the inner pane is Planarfirm Total Plus. So as I say, these are high performance sealed units in their own right. With the dress perimeter, we give these sealed units, the integrity of the units, a 15-year warranty, of course, and that also applies to our magnet system and 24-volt system. And I think our competitors, they offer a 5-year warranty on what they might call equivalent systems. We don't call them equivalent because, as I say, they don't begin to even tick half of the boxes this system ticks. If you're interested in integral blinds for your own home, whether it's automated as these are, 24-volt or solar battery, or magnet operated, give us a call, 0800 6102 610. Email us at sales@integralblinds.com, or check out our Facebook page, of course, at facebook.com/Integral Blinds. We're going to begin to glaze this project now, what we call retrofit, and we hope to be able to show you the completed photos and videos of the completed project very soon. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.